Hey everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to solve our next question, which is quadruplet sum. So what we're given is, we are given an array of n integers and an integer x. What is x? X is our target, right? And what we have to find? We have to find all unique quadruplets A, B, C, D, which satisfies this condition. A plus B plus C plus D equal to x, right? So how are we going to do this? Let's just take an example. So yeah, for this quadruplet sum, what we will do, we'll do this in parts, right? First, if we have to make A plus B plus C plus D equal to x, right? So how we can do this? First, we'll see how we can make A plus B equal to x1 be the target, right? This is for the two sum. For three sum, we'll make it by two sum using by taking the help of two sum. A plus B plus C equal to x2, and after all this we'll get our four sum, which is A plus B plus C plus D equal to our main x, right? Which we have to find. So I'm assuming that you have all done the two sum problem, which we have discussed in the previous question, the pair sum problem, right? So we can analyze it again if you want. So for the two sum problem, let's just discuss. So we are given an array, a sorted array. First, we are given any array, we have to sort it first. For whichever sum it is, for two sum, three sum, four sum is quadruplet sum, of course, right? So if we are given any array, first of all we will sort it. So after sorting, somewhat we'll get 2, 6, 18, 21, 42, 50, 61, right? So if we are given this one and we are given our target x equal to 75, right? We are given this. So what we'll do, we'll take this pointer, left pointer, at the extreme left position, and we'll take a right pointer at the extreme right position, right? So what we will do, we'll first do the sum of left plus right. So if left plus right becomes equal to our sum, which is the x, right? So if we get this, so what we will do, we will left plus plus, left will come here and right will come here, right minus minus, right? Okay. Else if this doesn't happen, else if our, let's suppose 2 plus 61, it's 63, which is less than our target, right? Else if left plus right is less than x, so what we will do, we'll increment the left pointer. So we will do left plus plus only. Okay, I think this should be clear. So if 2 plus 61 is less than our target, which is 75, what we will do, we'll make left incremented. So left comes here and our right is there. So now we'll check 61 plus 6. It is now also less than our target. So we'll make left here, right? So this only will work. And what we'll do, our last condition would be else if our left plus right becomes greater than x. Like for this condition, 6 plus 61 is 67, which is less than our target. What we will do, just make it here, our left comes here, and 18 plus 61 becomes greater than our target. 61 plus 18 is greater than 75. So what we will do, right minus minus. Now decrement the right pointer and left will remain the same only. Left will be here, right comes here, right? So 50 plus 18. So these are the conditions for solving our two-sum problem, of course, right? Okay, let's move ahead to the three-sum problem. So we can find three-sum. So let's suppose we are given an array, and first of all we'll sort it by arrays.sort the given array, whatever, right? Array, first of all, whichever array is given, we'll first sort it for two-sum, three-sum or four-sum, right? Next, what we will do for three-sum problem, suppose the sorted array comes as 2, 5, 8, 20, 24, 50, 62, 71. Suppose this is a sorted array. What we will do, and our target is somewhat like 90. What we will do, we'll fix this A and we'll take the left pointer and the right pointer. And what we will do, we'll make a x dash, which will be our target dash, which will be x minus A, right? So now our target will become somewhat like x minus A, which is 90 minus 2, that is 88. So we'll check for 88 now, right? So A becomes fixed now, and what we'll do, if left plus right is equal to, first of all let's take equal to x dash, then left plus plus and right minus minus, right? So else if left plus right becomes less than our target, which is x dash, for now what we will do, if 5 plus 71, 76 is less than 88, right? This is now our target. So what we will do, we'll make left plus plus, right? So our left will come to here now, right? So left plus plus. So now also let's calculate. 88 plus 71 is 79. 79 is less than 88. So left plus plus. Now 71 plus 20 is 91, right? Which is greater than our target. What we will do? Else if left plus right becomes greater than x dash, right? Minus minus, right? So whatever our pairs come from left comma right, which will be equal to our x dash, whatever pair comes, we will add a to it. So a comma l comma r, right, will be equal to our x. So we'll get threesome, of course. So according to this only, let's just take for foursome how we can do that. So if we are given any sorted array, we'll any array, we'll sort it first, and then what we will do, 2, 14, 17, 22, 31, 39, 45, 61. Let's suppose this is the given Let's take one more, 68. So this is the given sorted array. What we'll do next, and we have to find A plus B plus C plus D should be equal to X, which is the given target. So we can use the approach of two sum and three sum, right? Okay. So we'll just find for C plus D and we'll add A comma B. So let's just see how we can do this. We'll fix our A, we'll fix our B, right? And now we'll find for left pointer and we have right pointer. So same condition, let's suppose our target is given as 90 again. So what we will do, we'll fix our A and B. So first let's just have x dash as 90 minus 2, which is 88, and we'll minus B, right? From three sum we got our target as 88 and we'll take the difference with B also. So it will become 88 minus 14, which is 74. So now our target will become 74. We have to find for this. If left plus right becomes equal to x dash, so left plus plus, right minus minus. And for left plus right becomes greater than x dash, what we will do? Right minus minus, as we have discussed before. Left plus right becomes less than x dash, then left plus plus. This is our basic approach. For two sum and three sum, what we will do? We got our left and right. If they become equal to x dash, we got left and right. We'll just have the pair. We'll just add A and B in our pair. So A comma B comma, this will be our quadruplet sum, right? So also when we are done, when will our loop terminate? So our loop will terminate when our left and right overlaps with each other or they cross each other. Then our loop will terminate. Also, when we are done with this iteration, what we do, we'll set our B to here, A will be here. After the, and we'll set our left here and right here. And we'll iterate with this one, right? So this is what we are going to do. And after B iteration is over, we'll iterate our A so that we'll fix our 1A and we'll get the pair with left and right. Okay. So also we have to check the duplicacy. So if we get like 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, right? And our target is 2. So what we'll do, we have to fix our A and B. We'll iterate left and right, right? So our first answer would be, should be A, B, 0, 0 and 1, 1, right? But our second answer cannot be 0, 0, 1, 1 because this will be our duplicate answer. So we should not have a duplicate answer. What we will do, if our left becomes here, so now, and our right comes here, this will terminate already. But if we have a greater large size array, suppose 1, 1, 1, right is here, what we will do, we'll set a condition. If our left is equal to our previous left, then we'll iterate, increment the left until we get our the different element, right? For right also we'll set a condition. If we go in the left side, if we iterate our right, so we'll iterate till that time we didn't get a different element. from the previous right. Okay, so we'll set a condition. Like for an example, we are given 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 8, 8. And our target is 18. So our A and B can be fixed, but we'll iterate our left and right till then, like 2 plus 8 for 18. Let's just minus A, which is 2. So we have 16. 16 minus 2 is also, we get our target as 14. So 2 plus 8, we get 10. What we'll do, we'll iterate. Left will not come here now. Left plus plus, of course, because 2 plus 8 is less than our target. So what we'll do, left plus plus, but left will not come here. We'll set a condition. If our left is equal to our previous element, then what we do, we'll iterate it again. So now left came to 3, which is not equal to the previous element, so that we get the duplicate answers only, right? Okay, so let's move and let's discuss our code. So how we can do this is, we'll make a hash set first of array list of integer s equals to new hash set. Okay, next, first of all, we'll sort our given array, which is given nums, right? So arrays dot sort nums. Okay, our next step would be the iteration. So for int nums dot length minus 3, because this is the quadruplet sum, right? Minus 3 plus plus. Next, for the j iteration, for int j equals to 0, j would be iterating from I plus 1, and j less than nums dot length minus 2, right? J plus plus. We take a left pointer, which will be j plus 1, and we'll take a right pointer, which will be the last element, right? So nums dot length minus 1. Okay, so we'll start the loop while our left is less than right. So till the left and right does not meet, or they don't overlap or cross each other, the loop will goes on and on and on. So what we'll make a sum variable, and we'll count for nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of left plus nums of right. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll check if sum becomes equal to the given target. So x is taken as target here, so just write target. Then what we'll do, left plus plus and right minus minus, right? No, what we'll do is, we'll make a array list of integer temp, and we'll store the values first, because our sum we have taken nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of left plus nums of right. Then what we'll do, we'll store all the values of nums I, nums j, nums left and nums right. Okay, a list of type integer and let's give it a name, temp, which will be equal to new array list. And we'll add all the values in our array list. Temp dot add nums of I, temp dot add nums of j, temp dot add nums of left, temp dot add nums of right. Okay, and what we'll do at last, we'll add temp in our set. So let's add temp, and after all this, what we'll do, left plus plus and right minus minus. Left plus plus, then right minus minus. Not before this, like if sum is equal to target, we just don't straight away do left plus plus, right minus minus. We have to store in the answer also, right? Because left and right are our answers. So we have to store them in our answer first. Then we have to do, we have to increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer. Not before that. Because first we have to store them in our answer to display our answer, of course, right? So yeah, this is done. And now, if sum was equal to target, our next condition would be else if sum is less than target. If sum is less than target, then what we will do, we'll increment the left pointer, right? Left plus plus. Else what we will do, right minus minus. Else if our target is less than our sum is greater than our target, then what we will do, decrement the right pointer. So else right minus minus. After all this, we'll come out of the loop for also, yeah, here. And last, we'll store them in our set. We'll store them in a array list of integers to show our answer. And let's just give it a name, res result equal to new array list. What we will do is result will be equals to, we'll start a for loop for array list of integer. We'll iterate our I in the set which we have made, hash set, and what we will do, we'll add them in our result only. So result dot add I, all the values, and we have to return result at last to display our answer. So let's just run the code and see if it's correct or not. So answer seems to be correct. Let's just submit this code. Okay, so all test cases passed. I hope I was clear with the concept of quadruplet sum. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.